Welcome to guide number 2, working with the factlab. You can work with the factlab yourself. Just go to www.thefactlab.com. In this guide we will start working where we ended guide number 1. So we have a variable, a fact chosen, and that is the population of the world in 2009. And we will now add another fact to this elaboration. So I click here, add a fact. Then you see that there is a lot of variables available. But I want to see, what about the population in the year 2050? I can go here and search as we did the first time. I can also go here and then I can write estimate, and then we will see that the factlab will search for me. I click on this one, then I got all this filled in, and just go to measurement number. I go to the year 2050, and then we can see in the bar chart that we have fact 1 as red and we have fact 2 as yellow. I can do as I did before, like this, to see some of the biggest countries. I can do this again, and here we have some of the biggest countries in the world. I can do it like this to see the numbers. I go back to bar chart. If I want to see where these countries are located, I just click on map. Then I can see these countries as red marked. If I hover over them, I can see the name and the flag of the country. I also see the capital, and I see the fact 1 and fact 2 that I have chosen. Here, for example, United States. Here we have Russia, China, Japan, Brazil. I go back to bar chart. I can clear this step to see all the countries of the world again. Then I can hide this 2009, and then we were 6,751,000,000 people. In 2050 we will be 9 billion people. What part of the world will increase most? Maybe it's Europe. Let's check it down here. We go to part of the world. We go to Europe. And then we can see that Europe will decrease from 577 million to 531. We'll unmark Europe, and we will check Africa, for example. We know that Africa have some problems already today. What will happen there? We see that they will increase from just under 1 billion to just under 2 billion at the same time as Europe will decrease. We unmark Africa, and then we have all the countries of the world again, and we go back to bar chart.